Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a Toyota Tacoma? You're going to find this is an impeccable one. This is the 2017. Stock number is 7246. On your virtual video walk around, you're going to be able to see this Toyota up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. There you go. It's the TRD 4x4 Off-Road Package Edition. Absolutely an impeccable truck, tow package. Vehicle only has 38,000 miles on it, so that's just not even close to even being broken in for a Toyota. Gonna go in the interior here in the front. Automatic transmission, power locks, tilt, cruise, tilt, everything you can imagine on this impeccable Toyota pickup. Love the dash in this. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. You find it all right here at Sunset Ford. That's the difference. For more information on this truck or any other vehicles in our inventory, call, email, or text us. We'll be happy to answer any questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. Make it a great day. Take care.